Hello YouTube and welcome back to Every Tech Time. So today I'm gonna do another tech review, but this is not just any review. This is a review on something pretty interesting. It's something that I got just yesterday. It's a textbook I got called this Game Programming for Teens, 2nd edition, and it's by Thompson Course Technology. Yeah. So I got this book at a thrift shop yesterday, and it's in pretty decent shape. It's a little bent with a tiny bit of rips, but it's still in good condition, if not mid condition, but still. And yeah, it's a pretty good book. So the background of this book is earlier this month I started a class called Computer Programming and Video Game Design class for what I do at school, and right now we're learning how to make basic games in a programming language called BlitzPlus, in a software called Blitz Basic, which is used to make basic 2D games. Although they also do 3D games, but that's for Blitz 3D. And this software is Blitz Basic, which is just for 2D games. So yeah. So before we get started, I'm sorry I've been largely inactive this month, which I probably have been in a lot of the months in this year, but yeah, it's because I just started school and I have been busy with that stuff and whatnot, and I guess computer programming is also one of those things, because I've been hooked with that so much. I guess I haven't had the time to do much videos and making this stuff. So yeah. So anyway, back on topic. Let's get started with seeing what's in this book, shall we? So, here we go. What's this? This are some acknowledgements. Geez, there's so many people to thank. And, yeah, it's thanking all of the people it's dedicated to. And some stuff about the author, which is Maneesh Sethi, a high school student in California, who will be enrolled at Stanford University in 2006. Yeah, that was probably many years ago. And, here's some tables of contents right here. There's Chapter 1, Getting Started. Chapter 2, Getting to Know Basic, with Hello World and some statements such as if then else, and select case. Chapter 3, Loops, Functions, Arrays, and Types, with understanding loops, functions, and arrays. And quite self-explanatory. There's Chapter 4 and Chapter 5, which is stuff about graphics, which is creating the graphics window and loading images, bitmap images to be specific, colors such as RGB, and there's animation, using bitmaps in animation, and collision detection, and yeah, completing the puzzle and everything else. And here's the introduction, which talks about some stuff, such as the basics on BlitzPlus and Blitz Basic. Here's loops, functions, and arrays and types. There's some understanding loops, and there are even some example codes, which is such as this one, such as demo3.bb counts from 1 to 10, and there's delay 5000, which means delay 5 seconds, and there's counting backwards using step amounts, which is countering from 5.0 to 0, step negative 1.2, delay 5000. And here's some There's some stuff with graphics, such as beginning graphics, and yeah, they creating the graphics window and everything like that. Let's see what we have here. Here's some width and height, such as 640 by 480, and some color depth, which is probably necessary to learn about. And yeah, some other stuff in here. And here's an example of the graphics, such as setting up the graphics. Graphics are 800 by 600. And there's even seed R&D millisecs. And there's a constants with length, height, and width. And some images. And here's an example image of this whole thing. What you see right here, the frog on the lily pads. And here's an example of it, such as in full detailed text with the bitmap files for loading the images. Yeah, such as this, which you see right here, and everything else. And there's also the sounds and music, which is right here. And there's even some example codes. This time we use WAV files for loading the sounds and music. But yeah, I don't know if you can use MP3 files in this, because everything I see in these BlitzPlus games is just WAV sound, not MP3 sound. And here's an example, code for it. Yeah. Some examples like the bullet for collisions and sounds for each bullet, I think. Yeah, that's what it is actually. These are functions in the sounds and music category, the section, I mean. And last later on in the book, we have the epic evaders game, which you can see right here. Here's the splash screen, the title screen. Maneesh Sethi's invaders game. And here's the epilogue and everything. And yeah, which is all right here. And here's the picture of the game, a screenshot of it. And yeah. And here's just the index towards the end of the textbook. And here's the back of the book. So yeah, that's the entire book. Well, not all the book, because this book is look, this book is like so huge. So I didn't show you all of it, but you get the gist. So yeah, most of this BlitzPlus stuff kind of inspired me to maybe make tutorials on BlitzPlus games. So yeah, that is what I'll be doing pretty soon on my channel, which is going to be making tutorials on how to make basic games in BlitzPlus and Blitz Basic. So yeah, it's gonna be a series on my channel, those videos. A video series on my channel for it. And yeah. And I think I highly recommend this textbook right here. Well, it's not available in any stores. It's no longer available on places like Amazon or other shopping sites or any other stores. So you can get this at places like flea markets and thrift shops like I got it at. And yeah. So yeah, I think I recommend this book. is pretty neat, and you'll learn a whole lot in it. I promise. So anyway, if you like this video, then don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more tech videos like this one. That said, this is Every Tech Time, and as usual, I'll see you next time.